Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Nishay, and in this video I'll show you how I turned one of my old half wigs into a really cute and elegant ponytail. So stay tuned. Okay, let's get right into it. I start with freshly washed and blow-dried hair. I part my hair down the middle from the top of my head to my forehead. Next, I go about 1.5 inches up the part from my forehead and make diagonal parts to my forehead on both sides. I twist that portion up and bantu knot it out the way. To clean up the parts, I use the Magic Fingers Shine and Jam. Next, I part my hair in the back from that middle part to create 3 sections. I get the parts as straight as possible and then put the middle section into a ponytail. For the front section, I use the Esha Slick and Slay Braid and Edge Gel to slick down my roots. I warm it up in my hands, then start applying it to the section. I lightly comb it through and begin flat twisting. As I get closer to the end of the flat twist, I begin plaiting to secure it. Then twist again at the very end. I secure the ends with a rubber band and fold the end over the flat part of the twist and pin it to keep it out the way. I do the same twisting technique on the other side. Now for the ponytail. I take the middle section out of the ponytail and lightly comb and brush it out. Next, I roll the flat twist towards the middle section and hold all 3 sections together and put it into a ponytail. Now I do make the ponytail a little higher on the back of my head, kind of in line with the highest point on the back of my ears. I separate the ends of the ponytail into 2 and braid each section with the ends of the flat twists. I wrap the braids around the ponytail to make a mini bun and secure it all together with a rubber band. So this is the half wig I will be turning into a ponytail. It's the Sensationnel Curls Kinks & Co. Synthetic Half Wig Instant Weave in Moneymaker, and this is in color 1B. First, I unclip the hooks at the back of the wig and double knot the strings at the base as tight as they can go. So now on the inside of the wig, there will be a small hole at the back and a larger hole in the front. This larger hole is the one we will work with for this style. I take the ponytail and attach it to my bun using the wig comb at the front, and I put my bun into that larger hole. I then decided to move the front part of the ponytail higher up onto my head. The hole is large enough so you have some freedom to position the ponytail as high or as low as you want. Once I get the ponytail in a position I like, I start securing it with pins. I am pinning the hair on the underneath part of the wig to my bun to secure it to my head. Now it's time to shape the ponytail. As you can see, there are pieces in the middle of the back that are extra long. I cut those pieces to make the bottom an even length and to minimize friction, of course. I cut the bottom at a vertical angle, either upwards or downwards, to create a more rounded look to the ponytail. Now, this wig was previously shaped at the top from when I wore it as a half wig, so I didn't touch that part of the ponytail. I fluffed it out and got the look I wanted. To further blend the ponytail with my hair, I got a strand of twisting hair to wrap the base. This is a random piece of Marley or Cuban twist hair I had lying around. I lightly separate the hair to fluff it out and then fold it in half. I place it right at the base of the ponytail where it attaches to my hair, and I wrap the twist hair around to the back and pin it to the base of my bun to secure it. I spread the hair at the top to make sure it is covering that line of demarcation between my hair and the ponytail. And this is what it looks like. Super natural, right? Now I go in and do another round of pinning to secure the wrapped hair. I do some more fluffing and primping, and then I tie my hair down to finish getting ready. All right, I'm back. Now to finish the look, I will style the two front pieces. I lightly comb them out and apply some heat protectant. I am using the Organic Root Stimulator Heat Protectant Serum. Then I do one pass with my flat iron. I think the temperature was at 300 or 350. Next, I curl the sections with my curling wand. I curl away from my face and use the end or the tip of the curling wand to get a tighter curl. After removing the curling wand, I don't let the curl drop. I roll it and hold it in place while my hair cools down. Next, I lightly set it using the Motion's Light Hold Curling Spritz and pin it in place. I set the curls again with the Got to Be Glued Freeze Spray. Once the setting spray dries down, I remove the pins and lightly stretch the curls one time. And here's the final look. This style has easily made it to the top of my list for favorite hairstyles of the year. It's so elegant, and peep the seamless blend. Like this video if you like the style and let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. God bless.